All right. Hello and welcome to HashiConf. Cut it. Keep going. I do this all the time.
Keep cutting camera.
Welcome to HashiConf North America 2019. We are here in sunny Seattle. My name is Lachie Evenson. I am a PM at Azure, and I'm joined by
Dadgar. I'm an engineer at HashiCorp.
And I'm Brandon Chavis. I'm a product manager at HashiCorp. And who's this fella?
This is Brady, the Cloud Ninja Sloth.
Oh, welcome,
So he's
Brady.
our mascot, so welcome, Brady. He's joining in as well. So today we're going to be talking about HCS. So if you saw the keynotes, Mitchell was on stage announcing HashiCorp Console service for Azure. I want to learn a little bit about more about it. These are the folks in the know. So what can you tell us about HCS?
So HCS is our managed service for Consul. So our goal with HCS is to make it really easy to get started, really reduce that barrier to entry. So you can come into the Azure portal, click a button, get a highly available and ready to go Consul cluster. And so this is to help customers get that service mesh and service discovery use case taken care of for them, and then we'll handle the day-to-day operations.
Fantastic. And what does this mean? You know, I got really excited learning about this service, being a Consul practitioner for many years, having a one-click console. If you had told me that 3 or 4 years ago, you know, I may not be here today, but having that access at your fingertips, it sounds extremely powerful. So what does this actually mean to practitioners?
Oh yeah, it's very exciting because it means you get all the benefits of Consul. You get the service discovery, service mesh, service gateway, but the SREs at HashiCorp who know how to operate this are making sure it's backed up for you, secure, and always up to date. So you just get all the benefits.
Absolutely. Sounds too good to be true. So
Yeah.
you're making that really easy for customers and practitioners out there, which is fantastic. I want to dig into something you said, service mesh. Now, service mesh ecosystem is hot. What makes you think Consul is positioned well to dominate the service mesh ecosystem?
Yeah, so we integrate with SMI. We've worked with Microsoft and other companies to make sure we're a portable service mesh. You can use it everywhere. We have centralized config, and Consul acts as a highly reliable control plane that configures Envoy. So you get best practice control plane, use industry standard Envoy, and you get a lot of the benefits. And Consul has been in production at many companies at massive scale for years, so it's going to be highly reliable.
Well, I know I've been talking about it a lot at the booth. A lot of people are really interested in it. They're coming up and asking us a lot. One of the questions I hear a lot is, if I get a HCS, how do I connect to it? Can you tell me a little bit about how it functions? If I lay down a cluster, how do I actually connect to that cluster and integrate it into my application stack?
Yeah, so when you bring up HCS, you can give us a CIDR block, and we will provision the Consul servers within a network in that CIDR range. And after the cluster's up, you can peer your virtual network to ours, and we'll help you connect your clients to the servers, and then you just use Consul like normal. There's nothing special about HCS. Just in the background, we're taking care of all the day-to-day operations.
Fantastic. Now, one of the things I really like about Consul, and it being a service mesh under the hood, is having the ability to have disparate runtimes and resources. So can you tell us a little bit more about Consul 1.6 and what it's bringing to kind of layer 7 and service meshy type features? What is it introducing?
Yeah, it's super powerful. 1.6 is bringing a lot of features. So at the layer 7, we have gRPC and HTTP routing. So you can split traffic. Let's say version 1 gets 80% of traffic and version 2 gets 20%. You can do failovers to other regions if things fail. A lot of really cool features there. 1.6 is also bringing a gateway feature, so you can route traffic from one VPC or one virtual network to another. A lot of really cool features.
Fantastic. So crystal ball, I like to throw out the crystal ball. What can we expect from HCS in the next 6 months?
Well, in the next 6 months, we're hoping to engage with a lot of customers, kind of jointly with Microsoft, understanding all their different use cases. We've had a lot of questions about what features will you have. We have these concerns about things like performance and scalability, and we want to make sure it does X and Y for us. So just gathering all that feedback, making sure we're building something that really satisfies those needs for those customers, and hopefully having something that is extremely popular.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for sharing a lot about what HCS is and more about Consul 1.6 and the future. It was lovely to meet and chat with you both, so thanks for being here.
Of course. Yeah, thanks for having us. High five.